The secret setting slashing your internet speed. In this video, I'll show you the one hidden setting that's quietly ruining your internet speed and how you can fix it. But first, let's run a real speed test to see how bad it actually is before we tweak the setting. We've just run the speed test, and here are the results. Now, let's adjust the hidden setting to boost the internet speed. Start by opening your Wi-Fi settings, then tap on your connected network and go to the advanced options. Find the IP settings and change it from DHCP to static. Now scroll down to the DNS1 and DNS2 fields, enter 8.8.8.8 for DNS1 and 8.8.4.4 for DNS2. Once done, save the changes and restart your phone to apply the new settings. Now let's run the speed test again after changing the settings. Here's the test and the results. As you can see, there's a noticeable difference and the speed has improved.